So today we are going to solve a very interesting question. The question is, find the value of x plus a by x minus a whole square minus 5 into x plus a by x minus a plus 6 equal 0. So I'm going to solve now. First of all, read this question and mention it as a equation. So x plus a divided by x minus a whole square minus 5, x plus a divided by x minus a plus 6 equals 0. Take it as a equation. Now here take x plus a by x minus a, x plus a by x minus a. Let x plus a by x minus a equal y. Then the equation will be y square minus 5y plus 6 equal 0. So factorize this. We can write minus 5y as a minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. Minus 3y minus 2y, that means minus 5y. Here we can common y. Here remain y minus 3 minus. Here we can common minus 2 remain y minus 3 equal 0. So y minus 3 is common. Then remain y minus 2. Y minus 2 equal 0. Then the equation is two term, y minus 3 equals 0 and y minus 2 equals 0. So one term is y minus 3 equals 0 and another is y minus 2 equal 0. So now we can put the value of y and we take x plus a divided by x minus a equal y. So here replace the value of y. So the value is x plus a divided by x minus a, and minus 3 is on the right side. Similarly here put the value of y. The value of y is x plus a divided by x minus a, and minus 2 will be in the right side. Now cross multiply this. So here x plus a multiply 1. So is x plus a equal 3 multiply x minus a. 3 multiply x minus a. Here x plus a multiply 1 is x plus a, and 2 multiply x minus a. 2 multiply x minus a. So 3 multiply x is 3x minus 3 multiply a is 3a. Here x plus a remains same, and right hand side 2 multiply x is 2x minus 2 multiply a is 2a. Now here x, take this 3x in left hand side, so it will be minus 3x equal, take this plus a in right hand side, so it will be minus a, and minus 3a remains same. Similarly in this side x, take minus 2x in take plus 2x in left hand side, so it will be minus 2x equal minus 2a, and take this plus a in right hand side, so it will be minus a. Now x minus 3x is minus 2x equal minus a minus 3a is minus 4a. Here x minus 2x is minus x equal minus 2a minus a is minus 3a. So minus 2 minus minus cancel out, here remain 2x equal 4a. Here minus minus cancel out, here remain x equal 3a. So divided by 2 in both sides, then we get 2x by 2, 4a by 2. So 2 to cancel out, here remain x equal 2a, and here x equal 3a. So these are the value of x. So x equal 2a and 3a, and it is the answer. If you are guys enjoyed this video, subscribe our channel Meka School.